this is Shirley from Quail Creek here at the spa. Today we're actually doing a homemade mask. We're using organic oatmeal. It cannot be too fine, it cannot be too coarse, and honey. Why oatmeal and honey? Well, oatmeal is actually an antioxidant and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Because of that, you can use it for oily skin because it will help you absorb it, or you can actually use it for dry skin. It will help with the dryness. Now, why are we using honey? Because honey is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are actually very good because they help you terminate some of the chain reactions that actually produce some free radicals. Those free radicals are the ones that actually damage the cells in our body. Now, how are we doing this? I use half of the cup of oatmeal and then I pour little by little. So you have to really take a look of the honey and then mix it together until you get not too watery of a consistency, but not too hard either. As you can see, he's dripping a little bit, but you're gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes. After that, you're gonna wash it off with a little bit of luke water. And this will help also as a cleanser and exfoliator. Hope this helps and have a great day. Be safe.